Hey guys, what's up? Scott here from Best Guitar Lessons Ever. Doing another song lesson for you today, and we're doing some reggae today. I know everybody loves reggae. So this is a Bob Marley, Mellow Mood, and I'm doing it in a 1-4-5 progression in the key of G. So that's G, C, D. G is your 1 chord, C is your 4 chord, and D is your 5 chord. What does that mean, you might be asking? Well, so if we're in the key of G, we start with G, and we go A, B, C, that's our 4th chord, D, that's our 5th chord. So, you'll see a lot of that when you're starting out, and that's just something that you'll eventually learn in music theory. Most blues songs are in that chord progression, like A, D, E. Today we're playing in G. G sounds awesome. It's got a great scales. I'm not sure what the song is originally in, but we're gonna play it like this. So it's a G. Okay, very staccato, reggae. Hit your lower strings, and then hit your 3 higher strings. Then we go to a C, do the same thing. Back to G, to D. Okay, all together. Okay, I'll try and sing a little bit. Play your favorite song, darling. Rock it all night long, darling. Okay, that's the verse, that's the intro. I'm not going to get into the chorus and stuff right now because I want to do some looper pedal stuff with you. Okay, so we got the looper set up. We're going to punch in this G, C, D progression. Okay, I usually play it through twice just to kind of gives it a little bit more continuity when it's just looping over and over. So change things up a little bit. Let's go ahead and throw a bass guitar in there because it is reggae after all. So. Okay. Okay, I just got it on a simple MXR distortion. So since we're in the key of G, let's check out some G major. G major stuff around the neck. about it. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like the video down below, hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. And thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your guys' support. Stay tuned for the next one.